Toyota of Murfreesboro is the place to get your next vehicle. We have the largest inventory in the area and one of the largest inventories in the state for new Toyotas. And that's not even counting the 200 pre-owned vehicles we'll typically have available. Whatever you're looking for, you can find it on our lot. We even offer a limited lifetime warranty on all new vehicles and most of our pre-owned inventory. But don't think that being this big means we'll be impersonal. Our friendly professional sales staff is here to answer your questions and listen to your needs. At Toyota of Murfreesboro, our goal is to create a relaxing atmosphere in which you can make your car buying decision in confidence, and we pride ourselves on treating you with courtesy from sales to finance to service. We offer a 3-day exchange policy, competitive finance rates, and every service appointment comes with a free car wash and free pickup and delivery. To learn more, come visit our dealership or go to toyotaofmurfreesboro.com.